Hello, welcome to SocialNowa Chatbot. In this video, we are going to see the comment growth tools feature of SocialNowa Chatbot. Let's start the video. Click on comment growth tools. We can see the multiple options available here. Now, from here, you can switch from Facebook to Instagram. We are seeing for Facebook how this comment growth tools will work. First, we'll see how when someone comments on our post, we will identify the keyword, and on the basis of that keyword, we will reply to that comment and we will send a DM as well. Click on the reply template. Let's see how this feature work. Let's click on create a new template. Please select a page for auto reply. Now you can see if you want to remove any offensive comments here. You can hide or delete, but if you need to choose one option compulsorily. Here you can write down the list of offensive keyword, or you can simply copy paste if you have already made the list. You don't want to do any of this, you can keep it blank. Do you want to send a reply message to a user multiple times? You can choose it according to your wishes. Do you want to enable comment reply? Keep this yes. Do you want to like or comment by a page? You can keep it yes as well. Do you want to like on a comment by page? If you wish, you can say yes or no. Now this is very important option. Generic message for all, or send message by filtering word or sentences. I'm choosing to send message by filtering word or sentences. Let me show you a post for which we are making this campaign. This is the post for which we are making comment reply campaign. So whenever someone will comment on the post, yes, we will reply to the comment and we will send a private DM as well. Here we will type yes. Now in the comment reply message, when someone types yes, so we will reply to this particular message. We have an option to upload the reply type in an image or video as well. For now, I'm just going to reply with simple text. Now let's set the private DM message. After replying in the comment, we'll send DM as well. So let's set the DM message also. Click on add message template. Give your template name. If you want to give label name, you can give it or you can just simply leave it blank. Now select the reply type. You can see multiple options available over here. But I am choosing a simple text reply. Now we will add a reply message here, so this will go in a private DM. I'm just trying a dummy link here to make you understand. Click on submit. Now click on close and refresh the list. Now we will select the message template which we have just created. Here you can also type the comment if no matching is found. Now click on save. Our reply template is ready. Let's set the campaign. Click on the campaign. Let's choose the page. We have selected a page. We can see only two posts on page. I'm connecting this campaign to the post. Now click on enable auto reply. Let's choose the label. Now let's choose the reply template. Click on the submit. The comment reply template is ready now. Whenever someone will comment on this post, the campaign will work. Now the time is to test the campaign. We are on the page. Let me check the interactions so this will work properly. Now I'm just typing yes. Now you can see I have commented on the post. Let's refresh the page. Amazing. You can see our campaign is working correctly on automation. We have received the reply to the comment. Now let's check the DM. You can check we have received the DM as well. Your campaign is working absolutely perfect. If you need any help, you can create a support ticket or you can simply mail us at contact@diginova.com. We would be really happy to help. Thanks for watching.